children, my name is Sunita. I am from Gopalan Pre-University College. I will be teaching here coordinate geometry, which carries 6 marks in your SSLC board examination. Okay, in coordinate geometry, we locate the using numbers in a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here this horizontal line is called x-axis, and towards the left side of the origin you will get minus values. Now we will be locating the plus and minus values. This is 1, 2, 3. This side it is minus 1, minus 2. Now vertical line is the y-axis, and we have the values as 1, 2, 3. Bottom it will be minus 1, minus 2 and so on. So now when I say the first quadrant, the values of x and y, first we need to write as x value first. Here it will be both x and y values in the first quadrant, both are positive. In the second quadrant we have minus value, minus as x value and positive as y value. Third quadrant, both x and y are minus values. In the fourth quadrant you have x value as positive and y value as negative. 1 mark question, compulsory question in the SSLC board exam, they can ask like locate say for example minus 2 and 3, in which quadrant it lies. Minus and plus lies in which quadrant? It lies in the second quadrant. So this lies in the second quadrant. How are we locating it? Minus 2 is here and 3. So the point lies here. So we can locate this as minus 2 and 3. This many times they have asked for 1 mark question. And another repeated question is towards origin. What is the point on the origin? It is 0, 0. These 2 questions many times I have asked children. Please go through this. In coordinate geometry, we will have 3 important formulas which we will discuss now, which is most important for SSLC board examination. The first one is distance formula. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The second formula is the midpoint formula between 2 points. Midpoint formula between 2 points is, so suppose AB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The third formula is section formula. Section formula. You will have points x1, y1, B as x2, y2. It is divided in the ratio. It is divided in the ratio m is to n. Point P of x comma y is equal to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, m of y2 plus n of y1 by m plus n. Now let us take one example. Find the distance between the 2 points. Here the point is given as 1, 2 and B is given as 4, 6. We will take this as x1, y1, x2 and y2. Distance between 2 points is equal to x2 is 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus 2 whole square within the square root. 3 square plus 4 square is 9 plus 16, which is root of 25. Root of 25 is 5. This is the distance between 2 points. Now midpoint, find the coordinates of the midpoints of A minus 2, 3 and B 2, minus 1. The midpoint of these 2 points would be AB is equal to, let us take this as x1, y1, x2 and y2. x1 is minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. This is, and y1 is 3 minus 1. y2 is minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled. 0, 2 by 2. This would be 0, 1. This is the midpoint of the 2 given points. The third one is using section formula. We have A is equal to 2, and B is equal to 8, 6 in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So let us substitute P of x comma y. We can take this as x1, y1, x2 and y2 in the ratio of m is to n. So m is 1, 1 into x2 is 8 plus n is 2, 2 into x1 is 2 divided by m plus n, 1 plus 2 is 3. This is x coordinate and y coordinate would be m is 1, 1 into y2 is 6 plus 2 into 2 divided by 3. So when you calculate 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 divided by 3 and 6 plus 4 is 10 by 3. 3 divided by 4 comma 10 by 3 is the answer. Children, please go through all these problems. You can expect 1 or 2 questions from this. Prepare well for the exam and do well. All the best, children.